Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you all you need to know about shading comp feature in your settings. So what is the shading comp? So this is shading compensation. This feature on this camera compensates for lens shading or vignetting, which can cause the corners of your images to appear darker than the corner. So here is an explanation for this feature, for example. So if you disable it, of course you don't have the shading. If you enable, so it will automatically correct for lens shading or vignetting to produce more evenly illuminated images. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.